How to log in to TikTok account with only username. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view all the contents that are shared on TikTok. From here, you need to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the menu at the top right corner. After that, you need to select the option Settings and Privacy from the bottom. Once you're here, you need to scroll down and tap on the option Switch Account. After that, choose the option Add Account from the menu. Once you're in the TikTok Sign Up page, tap on the option Login at the bottom. Then, once you're in the Login page, select the option Add Another Account. After that, you need to tap on this first option over here, which says Use Phone, Email, or Username. Now, go to Email or Username section over here. Instead of typing the email, type in your username. Once you're done typing your username, hit the Continue button. Enter your password over here. Then, hit Continue. Once you're finished, you will be redirected to your profile on TikTok. So, by following these steps, you can log in to TikTok account with only username.